Boom shakalaka, Bitcoin will hit $100,000 on this day, and watch out for altcoins too. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, we are taking a look at Bitcoin will hit $100,000 on this day, and keep your eye on altcoins. Before we get into things, guys, like the video, join us on Twitter through Crypto Love, and subscribe to the OG Bitcoin Crypto YouTube channel, making daily videos since 2017. Now, today, fear and greed at 45, up from yesterday's, last week's, last month's fear, but still in fear, just about at neutral territory. The overall market up 2% today. Bitcoin at 59,801, Ethereum at 2307, BNB at 540, Solana 129, XRP 57 cents, Dogecoin 10 cents, Toncoin 548, and Tron 14 cents. Now, Bitcoin finding some pretty significant resistance at this level. Not only do we have this trendline resistance from the breakout wedge right here, but we also have the 100-day moving average here in green. And if we zoom out a little bit, you can see based on the volume profile, there's also some volume resistance right around $61,000. So 3 levels of resistance that Bitcoin needs to break through if this trend is to continue. The cause for the most recent price pump is likely this. The Fed is expected to cut interest rates tomorrow. The last time the Fed cut rates, Bitcoin went parabolic. If history repeats itself, the next 6 to 12 months are going to be insane. You can see in black here, as rates were cut, Bitcoin went parabolic. You can see rates are very high. Should they be cut again? Ooh, we could have once again another parabolic move for Bitcoin. Not only that, but global liquidity about to explode. Only a matter of time, not an if, but when, and every single time global liquidity does explode, Bitcoin hits new all-time highs. So both of those things going for Bitcoin. Willy Woo also chiming in here for the first time in a while. He says Bitcoin signals short-term continuation of bullish swing, likely 1 week left in play. Medium term, we're seeing lots of spot Bitcoin being scooped up, exchange inventory accounting for derivatives remains flat, but this could change quickly if we get a short squeeze. Chart pattern is forming a bull flag. Current demand and supply is neutral bearish, but signs of moving into a bullish structure if we get some liquidation is cautiously optimistic. So you can see spot market is decreasing. This is going sideways, and we have a bull flag here. Should we have a short squeeze, things could get pretty crazy pretty fast. Right now, the current minor capitulation has reached levels of the bottom when Bitcoin was $16,000. This was the market bottom after FTX. Likely another bottoming signal for Bitcoin. Should we compare previous cycles with Bitcoin this cycle? You can see it is lining up almost perfectly to a T, adjusted for the price, or basically scaled to this cycle. The 4-year-ago price would be $53,000. The 8-year-ago price would be $54,000. We are not far from that right now. And look at what comes up next. The price goes up dramatically. You can see on a log adjusted scale for the price adjusted to the current cycle, we would have tops somewhere between $300,000 and $1 million for Bitcoin. Bring it on. Once again, cycles are repeating. You can see this nice Christmas balls pattern right here. We right now have blue balls, kind of self-explanatory, figure it out for yourself. But this is the moment when Bitcoin hits previous all-time highs, but it's basically mid-cycle, not even the full cycle. Great things yet to come. We do have some very nice breakouts coming for Bitcoin right now. Finally reached the breakout of the resistance line on the 8-hour chart. Was resistance in July, August, September, a couple times, but just recently broke through. Hopefully this retest will find support on this line, and then we can take off from there. Also seeing a breakout of the Bitcoin MACD, breaking out from these converging triangles. The last time this happened for Bitcoin, twice, it led to nice rallies for Bitcoin. Could have another nice rally coming for Bitcoin once again. And we are at the same levels of the stock RSI. After going up to the top, coming back down to these levels, that's when the rally took off. So we had the first pump of the market, comes back down, finds this level of 50, and then that's when the second explosive rally begins for Bitcoin. Guess what? We went all the way up to the top, came back down to these levels. This could have been the rest that Bitcoin needed. And now the charge is primed and ready to blow based on this bull flag right here? Well, the measured move for Bitcoin is $100,000 by the year end, October to December 2024. Q4 should push us all the way up to this level. And guess what? The cycle continues next year as well, most likely. If we take a look, this is the Bitcoin Power Law price projection. Right now, we still have a 3x left in this cycle, bringing the price roughly to $200,000 by November of 2025. And then the further cycle, 2029, $500,000, $500,000 for Bitcoin. So very interesting prices for Bitcoin. Breakout here for Dogecoin. What Dogecoin does, so does the rest of altcoins, especially meme coins. We're seeing right now an RSI breakout for Dogecoin, breakout, retest, likely heading back up. This is one we've been talking about for a while. Generally, after it breaks out of this wedge pattern, it goes up a whole order of magnitude. And huge signal for altcoins. Make sure your bags are packed. This could be one of the last moments you have to get altcoins at a steep discount. If we take a look, the last time we saw a bullish WMA 100 and EMA 100 cross, the parabolic curve for altcoins started. You can see the cross happened right here. And then we had an absolutely enormous, massive alt season. After more than 3.5 years, this cross has now happened again. Chart structure looks very similar. Descending channel, bullish as well. All of these adding up to likely an explosive season for Bitcoin and alt season coming up soon. But that's all for this episode. If you enjoyed it, like the video, join us on Twitter at TheCryptoLove, subscribe to the channel, and also YouTube says watch that video right there. I'll catch you later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.
From now on, if you don't own Bitcoin, you're a moron.